Hello everyone, welcome back to day 11 of our 30 days Python challenge. Today I'm going to introduce you to two more important data structures in Python. One is tuples and sets. Let's start with tuples. A tuple is also a collection of multiple values just like a list, but there is one important difference. Once you created a tuple, you cannot change it. Think of your date of birth. Once you're born, your date birth never changes, right? That's a perfect example of information that should be stored in a tuple. Here, let's create one tuple here. Let's uses square brackets, but tuples uses parentheses. That's the first difference. How we will be accessing tuple items. Even though we can't change a tuple, we can still access its values just like a list. Tuples also use indexing. Remember from yesterday, Python starts counting from 0, right? Let's print the first color here. Here if you print, it will be red. And if you change the index to 1, it will be green. So accessing item works exactly like a list. Can we change a tuple? Yes, exactly. Let's try changing one value. What do you think it will happen when you append the first items to yellow? Will Python change green to yellow? No. Instead, Python gives us an error. Why? Because tuples are immutable. Immutable simply means cannot be changed after creation. So remember this. If your data should never change, we can use tuples. Let's go to the set. Now let's talk. A set is also used in stored multiple values, but sets have a special feature which is they do not allow duplicate values. Let's write an example. I have created one fruits. We added apple twice. Why is it printed only once? Because sets automatically remove duplicate values. This is one of the biggest advantages of using a set. Can we add items to a set? Very simple. Yes, we can add by using add method, and we can remove the items from set also, like how we will be using in list. Let's create one simple example. You have three courses like beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Now let's create a set of programming languages students are learning by adding a different languages. Notice that Python appears only once because sets remove duplicates automatically. Now let's try adding this in your programming, and let's create any of the challenge it based on your own interest. Tomorrow on day 11, we'll learn about Python dictionaries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and join me for tomorrow for day 12. Thank you.